Hey everyone! So I never really do this, but I'm doing it for the first time. Happy Perihelion. Well, you might be wondering what is Perihelion. Perihelion is basically that time of the year where the Earth is actually closest to the Sun on its elliptical orbit about the Sun, right? So you realize that we receive more sunlight, but you might be wondering why the hell is those in the northern hemisphere experiencing winter right now, which is basically a very cold season. Well, clearly, if we are closest to the sun and then another part of the earth is experiencing winter, it tells you that our climatic condition is not a function of our position of the earth about the sun, right? So it's basically about the tip of the earth about the sun, all right, or on its axis about the sun. So are we tipped towards the sun or we're tipped away from the sun? So you realize that those around the equator, we don't really have a problem with tipping, right? So right now, those in the northern hemisphere are basically tipped away from the sun. So they receive very, very small sunlight. So they have very, very cold, climatic conditions right now. That's why they're experiencing winter. But one fun fact about the perihelion is actually that the sun is moving fastest, or the Earth is moving fastest on its orbit about the sun right now, and that's because the force that provides the centripetal, force. Centripetal force is basically the force that keeps any object moving in a circular path. In that circular path, basically. So the force that keeps the Earth moving in that circular path, of course, the centripetal force, is provided by the universal gravitational attractive force that the sun exerts on the Earth, all right? Or the mutually attractive gravitational force that the sun and Earth they share. So that force is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the mean distance between them. That means that if the Earth gets very close to the sun, then you realize that that force, because it's inversely proportional to mean distance, that distance has reduced, that force has increased. And so that force helps to speed the Earth about that elliptical path about the sun. So you realize that the Earth at this current moment in time is speeding. That's why dry season perhaps lasts very shorter than the rainy season. Thank you guys so much. That's some little bit of astrophysics. Te Allen signing out. Avi Astro Allen.